The year is 1913. A young boy has just been expelled from school for hitting his female teacher in the face. This horrendous incident would be the start of this boy's ascent from juvenile delinquency to an infamous kingpin we all know today as Al Capone. Capone would be later diagnosed with antisocial personality disorder, which would be the leading cause of how he would conduct himself in his adult life. Sometimes described as psychopaths or sociopaths, people with antisocial personality disorder persistently disregard and violate others' rights. Of the human population, 3% of males have antisocial personality disorder in comparison to 1% of females. In order for a diagnosis to be given, individuals must be at least 18 years of age and must have evidence of conduct disorder before age 15. Conduct disorder involves a repetitive and persistent pattern of behavior in which the basic rights of others or societal norms or rules are violated. The specific behavior characteristics of conduct disorder fall into one of four categories: aggression or violence towards people and animals, destruction of property, serious theft, or serious violation of rules. The pattern of antisocial behavior continues into adulthood. Individuals with antisocial personality disorder fail to conform to social norms with respect to lawful behavior.
The biological factors of antisocial personality disorder are shown to be inheritable, which means many people are predisposed to this disorder. In a study concerning twins, it was found that 67% of identical twins share this disorder, while only 31% of fraternal twins shared this disorder. This shows there is a genetic link and that antisocial personality disorder may be linked to certain genes. Finally, in brain scans done with this condition, low serotonin was a common characteristic. Speaking of characteristics, the characteristics of an anti-personality disorder include breaking the law, deceitfulness, disregard for other safety, impulsivity, irritability, irresponsibility, and lack of remorse, as well as being linked to a co-occurring disorder in a substance abuse, as many people with this condition have been shown to abuse both alcohol and drugs. These characteristics, including the substance disorder, are shown to be very common in the criminal population.
Treatments regarding antisocial personality disorder have mostly shown not to be successful due to an individual's lacking of a conscience, a desire to change, or respect for therapy. Psychotropic medications, particularly in antipsychotic drugs, have been used to treat people with antisocial personality disorder. However, research has not found the medication to be consistent. In regard to the main researchers in the field of antisocial personality disorder, Yokelson and Samenow have written a book called The 52 Criminal Thinking Styles. This piece of literature goes over how a criminal thinks, feels, their learning processes, and their overall mental state. This book has been used in regards to other studies to develop treatment. Speaking of the 52 criminal thinking studies, Glenn Walters has written the 3 C's of criminal behaviors. The 3 C's include conditions, cognitions, and choices. The conditions of the criminal are the factors that increase or decrease the fact that the person will commit a crime, which relates to their economic status, social pressure, or being raised in a family where criminality is common. In regards to cognitions, this describes that a criminal ideally justifies the crimes he commits in order to create a self-positive image and not to look at themselves as a bad guy. In regards to choice, Walters believes that criminals choose to commit the crime ultimately. This is in line with the humanistic perspective of psychology. These studies and many more strive to find ways to help remedy the effects of antisocial personality disorder and hopefully return these people to a more successful life. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.